we have one initiative called Eco Clubs in hundreds of thousands of schools. And that Eco Club is the basic beginning of the learning on environment. I can narrate that for waste management, we must understand that paper waste is different, glass waste is different, tin waste is different. The usual two boxes which we make now in the houses of wet waste and the dry waste. So in dry waste, all these components come, electronic and everything. And dry waste is recyclable, and this wet waste is also recyclable, but with a different technology and produces gas or energy. So this is one aspect. Other aspect is to use more cycle for nearby works, not taking car. Walk, take cycle, but don't take car, because that is very important. Third is that we need to keep our vehicles properly. In the family also, we must ensure that our vehicles are checked, cross-checked, get PUC certificates in time, and are maintained properly so that they don't increase the pollution load. Likewise, after the waste and after this aspect, we must also be vigilant of what is happening around. If you find something tricky, you can definitely shoot and send us, because that is what I did after my college days. When I started my public life, there was one factory which was discharging bad effluent water, and that used to ruin the farmers' farms. So I shot video in '92. That time it was so difficult. And then we made a complaint, and ultimately the factory was closed. Because those who don't want to follow the norms will have to pay for it. So these are all things what you can do, and this model conference of parties will make you aware about various aspects and various views of the world on various aspects of climate change.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Now I call upon Lakshmi Bharti V from Kerala to ask a question. Lakshmi, over to you.
Yes, Lakshmi.
Jen, so we all know that environmental degradation and climate change is one of the major problems in our country. So can you please explain what are the major steps taken by our government to protect biodiversity and to secure nature's free services?
Good. We have a Biodiversity Act. That act was done in 2002. In 2004, rules were framed. And in 2014, when I became Environment Minister, we formed the detailed guidelines, and benefit access, benefit sharing, and many other things were detailed out, and the biodiversity registers are maintained in each village. So there is a village committee which is supposed to go around and note with every detail that what kind of plants we have. So that is biodiversity register. We have already hosted COP on biodiversity in 2012 in Hyderabad, and we participate in biodiversity in a leadership position because we have vast biodiversity and we have preserved it much better despite so many problem areas and so many impediments in preservation of biodiversity. But that is our life, and And therefore, Biodiversity Education, Biodiversity Act, Biodiversity Register, and Biodiversity various programs are all part of the story, and you can participate in any of them. And if you are interested, write to me, and we'll like to work with you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Now I'll call upon Anjali Jha from Bihar to ask a question. Anjali?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning so much, sir. So, as you know, that careers in environment conservation are not very popular. So, how do you think it can be popularized so that more and more students consider it as a possible career choice?
See, career is one aspect of the whole issue of biodiversity. But when we lay emphasis on biodiversity, it will definitely create various kinds of special services and jobs. And to fulfill those, you need specialized, interested, as well as trained people. So there are various aspects of biodiversity. Many universities have started courses in biodiversity and are giving graduation in biodiversity. So that will definitely help in making that special stream ready, and we will definitely take this forward. There is Indian Forest Survey and Indian Forest Service is very important aspect. IFS like IAS, and is very important because it's an exciting world in which you live. Unfortunately, what happens is, because of our systems, people go to the general UPSC and then their choice depends upon their marks. And therefore, their first choice in becoming IAS, then IPS, then so many other things. So, IFS, when there was a new batch of 80 this year, I inquired with them who really wanted to be forester and has become forester. So out of 80, only 3 were really wanted to become forester. So I want to say that those who are interested should seriously try for becoming IFS. There is research in many universities, in many institutes, in specialized institutes of biodiversity. And so there are wide variety of job opportunities created. So be one of the professionals of biodiversity. I welcome you right now to become very good biodiversity professional.